Hello friends, today I am going to share my masala chai recipe. So let's start. I'm making 2 cups of tea, so I'm boiling 2 cups of water and adding some grated ginger, around half an inch grated ginger. Boil for some time, then add 2 teaspoons of tea leaves. Mix and let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. To this, I am adding around 1 cup of milk and I'll let it boil for some time again. Crush 4 to 5 whole cardamoms. Add the crushed cardamom to the tea and let it boil for some time. Then add sugar to your taste. Masala tea is ready. Pour into your cups and enjoy with your choice of snacks. Like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell icon for new videos and updates.